watching you.
Well, buddy, you can't pass that white car. You'd be having a head-on collision if you tried to. Good job.
Welcome back to the program. Rick Edelman here, Triple H Plan Rick. That's RickEdelman.com.
What they got
We
doing?
invite you to send in your question.
What the hell's this guy doing? Oh, boy.
Vaccines in the U.S. are free. There's no fee for getting the injection, and there's no fee
Don't
for
wake up,
signing
both
up.
of you.
If anybody tries to charge you for either.
Good golly.
Number two.
Right, 1.99%, and if that's not enough, we'll even pay your
Oh, what you doing there, buddy?
and appraisal fees.
Big way when I'm walking, pray when I'm talking this to you. Fight for my attention, for your ascension, you must prove it. 'Cause if you can find it, you don't confine it, you let it move. Make way for the genie, scream for the dream, may coming through. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in the
Go!
baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh, baby, is the game over?
That's supposed to be turning here? He's not supposed to turn here. Thank you, buddy. What's this guy doing? What the hell was this? What the hell? Where'd he come from? He wasn't in the turn right or turn left lane.
I want your devotion, all your emotions in my hand. I want your obsession, every affection for
I thought I was doing something wrong for a second.
And if you define me, you won't survive me, you'll be there. 'Cause I am the giant, I am the diamond, not a man. Have you ever played with a queen? I can show you what I mean. I can make you feel free. I got you in the Can you meet me on my level? Oh, baby, is your reign over? Can you battle with the devil? Oh, baby, is the game over?
Ooh, that guy made it on land. houses are kind of like stocks. They go up in value, they can go down in value, just like stocks. Houses. What's that guy riding?
Scooter, electric scooter.
What's he doing? What was he waving at?
Singing.
What's that guy waving at? I don't know.
I don't know.
A security blanket, a reserve for peace of mind. Check it
Whoa!
out.
Go to your left.
35157. 800.
What's that guy doing? He was in a hurry to go to the post office. He was in a big hurry to go to the post office.
Yeah, something must be very important to deliver.
Wow, ayos din ah.
Rates are at historic lows. To take advantage of our new fast track loan with an unbelievable low rate of 2.3.
Good stop there, buddy. Good stop.
With no closing costs on a 15-year fixed loan. That's right. No point.
Yeah, maybe it's not this stoplight.
Because this one's
In
just
a quarter mile, turn left onto Crescent Avenue.
Nah, he ran a red light.
Did he?
You can look at it. That franchise just died off.
Well, now this guy's gonna come out here. Well, he ain't got an early start on it.
And she walks out. Walks down the road. Of course, Sophie's been a real good gift.
Guys, watching.
Well, they've got a lot of their agenda done, so there's no doubt about that.
Lost
Tomorrow,
That Tesla doesn't know which way he wants to go. He's lost. Model S Tesla lost. It's the smallest electrical light I've ever seen. Yeah. Oh, what the hell? That guy just pulled out in front of everybody. Look, there goes Ghostbusters.
Yeah.
Got the Ghostbusters over there.
What are they doing?
Use the left lane to merge onto I-215 north toward Riverside.
Oh no.
Oh no,
Oh,
ramp
no.
closed, Alex.
You turn.
Yeah.
Well, that road ends. So go back to the road you were
At
at,
the light,
and then we'll keep
use the
going
right
north.
lane to merge onto I-215 north.
Now you know why all the cars are still on. Told you don't listen to Apple phone. Joanne's right. They've got this lane blocked. There's police right there.
Proceed to the route.
Oh, they're
Proceed to
repaving the road. They're repaving the road. Well, these guys are going right. So that silver SUV up there went. So
Says turn left. No.
Proceed to the route. Turn left onto Nantina Avenue. Then turn left onto Blanding Way.
just keep going straight.
I wonder how far we can go.
Just keep following this road around.
I don't know.
Oh.
You wanna go? You wanna go?
Well, the guy up ahead
Turn
of us.
left onto Blanding Way.
Just hold on now. Let's just keep going.
You wanna go to the gravel?
I can't see. These guys were in the same. These guys were trying to do the same thing. They're all going that way. Maybe they know the area. Either that, or it's the blind leading the blind, and we're going to go in a dirt road now.
I think, yeah, because he did U-turn also.
Pavement ends.
Turn left onto Harley Knox Boulevard.
So, now what?
I don't know. Let's just keep going. Let's see where.
Follow
Let's
them?
guess. Yeah, just keep going. Normally I wouldn't want to do this, but these guys were trying to get the same place we were, and they're going. Maybe they know what they're doing.
Well, this is an off-road vehicle.
Yeah.
Proceed to the
So
route.
this is the perfect. This is the perfect car.
Proceed to the route.
This is the perfect car for this situation.
Proceed to the route.
Yeah, you just don't hit that bed in the middle.
Proceed to the route.
We're gonna
Proceed to the route.
Oh yeah, we're gonna be off road here for at least up to the next hill.
Oh boy.
Proceed to the route.
Yeah.
Proceed to the route.
Yeah. You don't have to tell me to proceed.
Proceed to the route.
How many times you gonna tell us? We're trying to proceed, but we've gone off road.
Proceed to the route. Proceed to the route.
This is interesting.
Sounds like Cody with his iPad when he gets upset. There's a boat sitting right here. You need a boat. It's missing the bottom.
Proceed to the route.
Oh my gosh.
Oh boy.
You're getting me all shook
Proceed
up,
to the
Alex.
route.
Not my fault.
I'm shaking, not stirred.
Proceed to the
If you go
route.
back, you're gonna stuck there.
Yeah, if we go back, we have to go all the way back.
Proceed to the route.
It was as bad as we're trying to get to South Dakota that time.
Oh, I think
Proceed to the
Ah,
route.
this one is a bit better.
This looks
Well,
more
at least I
promising,
don't see
though.
nothing but
Proceed
cornfields.
to the route.
This looks more promising though, because there's people behind us and people in front of us.
Proceed to the route.
So we're all following each other.
Yeah, I just hope that guy up there ahead of us knows what he's doing.
Yeah, they probably.
In 2.1 miles, turn right onto Martin Street.
Oh, good. In
Finally.
2.1 miles, we're going to turn right.
We have 2
And
miles.
where we end in another dirt road.
Yeah, have to make a U-turn.
Don't drift too far to your right there. You're going to get stuck.
Yeah, stuck
I just ate that fish. Now I'm going to get seasick.
Where are we all going?
I would not want to live in that house, and you have to drive a dirt road to get to it.
Yeah.
We're saving all of this sandy dash.
Holy smokes.
We have.
Maggie start putting to the roof. Wow, they got nice house, but all the
The
dirt
road is bad.
That's a mansion.
Nice house, but bad road.
all the dirt.
Stay to your radars. You don't know if somebody's coming up over that hill there. You can't see them yet. Oh, okay.
Finally, pavement.
All right.
We're almost
I brought y'all out here because I wanted to show our new house that we're going to buy.
there.
It's a split level.
Yeah.
The driveway runs right into the living room.
Oh,
Oh, God, my head's about to hit the window. I got to hang on here.
Oh my gosh.
Oh, no. Well, we can't turn right yet, but we are getting on what looks to be a pavement.
Oh, stop, but there's
yeah, finally.
there's another way.
Well, we could tear through this field if we can get past that fence.
Finally. That was anything.
Oh, okay. It's
Yeah.
concrete now.
Finally.
saying then about 1.5 miles, we're going to turn right up here.
That way it's not ready yet.